Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your business with Amazon, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by conducting thorough market research to identify profitable product niches on Amazon. Analyze competition within those niches to understand pricing, reviews, and customer preferences. Select your product based on demand, profitability, and your ability to differentiate from competitors. Source your product from reliable suppliers, ensuring quality and favorable terms. Create an Amazon Seller Central account to gain access to all necessary tools for managing your listings. Optimize your product listing with high-quality images, engaging titles, and detailed descriptions. Utilize keywords effectively in your listings to improve visibility in search results. Set a competitive pricing strategy that reflects market conditions while ensuring profitability. Launch your product with a targeted marketing strategy, using Amazon ads to reach your audience. Encourage customers to leave reviews by following up after purchases, enhancing credibility. Monitor your performance metrics regularly to identify areas for improvement in sales and marketing. Adjust your strategies based on data insights, including keyword performance and customer feedback. Expand your product line strategically once you establish a successful foundation. Consider leveraging Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, for efficient storage, packing, and shipping. Focus on building your brand on Amazon through consistent quality and customer engagement. Stay informed about Amazon's policies and guidelines to maintain compliance and avoid penalties. Utilize customer service as a tool for relationship building and addressing any issues promptly. Tap into social media and other marketing channels to drive external traffic to your Amazon listings. Analyze seasonal trends to adjust your inventory and promotions accordingly. Continuously seek ways to innovate and add value to your products or services. Revisit your market research periodically to stay ahead of trends and competition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.